Hello, I'm Tom Omley with Geoprobe Systems, and I'm standing on the exact location of the 2018 Geoprobe Open House. I'd like to personally invite you to attend. We anticipate hosting several hundred customers, consultants, regulators, and industry professionals from around the world. You might be asking, why should I come? The first thing that comes to mind is new products. At Geoprobe, our engineers are always working on new products. We have environmental projects, geotech, and water well. Some of our main focuses for this open house are the new geotech and water well offerings. In both these areas, we focused on non-CDL required rigs that can be mobilized to and from job sites without the costly commercial driver's license. Also, the day before the open house event, we're hosting two workshops. In the morning, there's a direct image workshop, and in the afternoon, there's a service workshop. These become great opportunities to get more in depth in both the direct image and the rig service aspects of your business. A unique aspect of the Geoprobe Open House event is that all of our engineers are bringing their individual projects out into the field. They'll be showing all the products they've been working on, both machines and tools, actually being put in the ground. This creates a unique opportunity to come up close to every engineer and interact with them one-on-one, share thoughts you have about what you really like, maybe something you don't like, and an idea you might want them to incorporate into the final product they're working on. This is really valuable to both our engineers, but also our customers. Their customer feedback makes a difference on how this equipment is designed and the final look and feel of the products that will be shown. Another thing that I really like about the open house events is customers from around the world come here and are able to mingle with other peers in the drilling industry and share ideas and challenges and success stories. This is a free event. All you have to do is register. You can register right now for the Geoprobe 2018 Open House by clicking the link on this post. I hope I can shake your hand soon.